Hycules Hydraulic Shearing Machine, Model 10x2500, is designed for efficient and accurate sheet metal cutting. Equipped with the S-Stun E21S control system, it offers simple operation, stable performance, and convenient parameter setting. The machine features electric blade gap adjustment for easier control and better cutting results on different sheet thicknesses. It is also fitted with a motorized back gauge to improve positioning accuracy and working efficiency. With its reliable structure and practical configuration, it is an ideal choice for modern metal fabrication workshops.